Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 10th class statistics SSC state syllabus. Now before going to do that, let us have a small discussion about the today's thought. Thought is success is no accident. What is the meaning of this children? Success is it will not come to you as an accident. What are these accidents? Accidents will make something unexpectedly. Unexpectedly, you reach to that consequences through which you may come back or you may not come back. So, something very drastic experiences will be there in accidents. But some people feel that just like how unknowingly we are getting accidents, so like that, success also will get somebody. God should accept us. Definitely, we will get. Thinking like that, they don't do anything. They just wait for the success to happen. How is it happen? It is not possible, children. Success comes to you only when you work hard, only when you toil your day and night, only when you put your heart and soul in it. Then only you will get success. Accidentally, somehow, you will not get. God doesn't give you the success just like that. He says who is really worthy for it. We get blessings of God only when we are worthy. How can we make ourselves worthy? God says no help. God helps only those who help themselves. So if we help ourselves, that means we make ourselves suitable for the blessings of the God, then only we will be getting. That means children, like accident, success will not come to us suddenly. We will get success through a long process, through a sincere process. So, work for that. Definitely, success is yours. Let us come back to our studies. The fourth problem I need to do, three problems I have done. 30 women, the problem goes on like this. Let me read this. 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and their heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the mean heartbeats per minute for these women choosing a suitable method. So they have given number of heartbeats and number of women. I am taking number of heartbeats as class intervals. So what are the class intervals given to you? 65 to 68, 68 to 71, 71 to 74, 74 to 77, 77 to 80, 80 to 83, 83 to 86. So, the number of women frequency, F5 you can take. This is 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4, 2. Now, the problem here itself, they said the women, we don't know what is the total, so we can find out the total here. Sigma Fi, how much children? 8 to 10, 10, 20, 21, 24, 28, 30. So, sigma Fi is 30. Now, we have to go, as it is mean, you need to go for mid value. 65 plus 68 by 2. 13, 13 by 2. So how much you are getting? 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10. 66.5 is the mid value of the first class interval. So size you see children, it is 3 3 3 3 gap is there. So we need to add 3, 69.5, 72.5, 75.5, 78.5, 81.5, 84.5. These all are the mid values. Since mid values are high, we go for step deviation method. So for this step deviation method, what is the assumed mean? Assumed mean A. What you will be taking? The other time when we are discussing about, we have discussed that the middle value. So 3 here, 3 here. So 75.5 can be taken as A. That is 75.5 is assumed mean. Next, we need to go for the next value, that is deviation value, DI. This is nothing but xi minus A. So here xi is 66.5, 66.5 minus 75.5. So first you take 75.5, 66.5. So here you will be getting 0 and here you are getting 9. Okay, children, 9. But here this is minus, so this is also minus. So you are getting here minus 9. Similarly, minus 75.5 plus 69.5, 0 and 6. Okay, so minus 6 is the second one. Next, 72.5 minus 75.5, 72.5, 0, 3, minus 3 you are getting. 75.5 minus 75.5 is 0. Then 78.5 minus 75.5, 0 and 3. So you are getting 3 here, and again 81.5 minus 75.5, 0 and 6. So you are getting 6 here, and 84.5, 75.5, 0 and 9. So you are getting 9 here. So you have got this. So I hope you have understood, children. I am rubbing this. Next what you have to do after getting DI, you have to go for UI. UI is nothing but DI by H. DI by H. What is H? H is 5, no? So here you have got size H is equal to 3. Sorry, not 5. H is equal to 3. So each one you need to divide it by 3. Minus 9 by 3, minus 3, minus 6 by 3, minus 2, minus 3 by 3, minus 1, and this is 0, 3 by 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now we need to find out Fi UI. You have to multiply. This is Fi, this is UI. 2 into 3 minus 6, minus 3, no? So minus 2 into 4, minus 8. And then 3 into minus 1, minus 3, and this is 0. And this is 7 into 1 is 7, 4 into 2 is 8, 2 into 3 is 6. So what is this sigma Fi Ui? You need to find out. So here negative values minus 17 here. Okay, positive values, how much you are getting? 7, 3, 10, 15, 5, 20, 21. So how much is 17 minus 17 plus 21 is 4. So sigma Fi is 4. Now we need to find out mean. How do you find out mean? Mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into H. So A value is 75.5 plus sigma Fiu is 4 by sigma Fi is 30 into height is 3. So 3 ones are 3 tens are. That means 75.5 plus 0.4. So how much you are getting mean? Mean is equal to 75.9. So what is the question? The question is find the mean heartbeat per minute. So mean heartbeat per minute is equal to 75.9 is the answer, children. Please copy this problem. This is fourth one. Now fifth problem. In a retail market, in a retail market, it goes on like this. Let me read the problem. In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling oranges kept in packing baskets. These baskets contain varying number of oranges. The following was the distribution. They have given a frequency distribution, number of oranges and number of baskets. So number of oranges is class interval, number of baskets is frequency. Find the mean number of oranges kept in each basket. Which method of finding the mean did you choose? So we need to mention the method also. So let me write the class intervals here, children. 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34. And frequency 15, 110, 135, 115, 25. So sigma Fi 10, 15, 20. This is 2, 2 to 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 400. Now go for xi value. 10 plus 14 by 2, 24 by 2, 12. So 12 is the mid value here. Now what is the difference here, children? 5 difference is there. That means 17 and 22, 27, 32. Now in this, let me take assumed mean. Assumed mean we consider it as A is equal to, so this can be considered as assumed mean 22. Size of the class H is equal to 5. Now what you need to do? You have to go for deviation column. So what is the deviation? Xi minus A. So 12 minus 22. Minus 22 and 12, 0 and 1, minus 10. So I will be getting minus 10 here, minus 22 and 17. Here 5 you will be getting. So minus 5 here. This is 0 and 27 minus 12. You will be getting 15. So 15 is here. 27 minus 32 also 27 minus 15 and then 27 minus 22. So how much will be getting? 5. So I will be getting 5 here. This is also 27 minus 22. So how much you are getting? Only 5 here. So these are UI or DI values. After DI, now we will see UI value. UI value is di by h. This is minus 10 and h is 5. 5 2s are 10 minus 2. 5 1s are 5 minus 1 0. This is 1 and 2. So minus 2 minus 1 0 and 1. Now sigma this is a UI. Next we have to go for Fi UI. Fi UI. Fi is here. This is 2. 15 2s are 30 and you'll be getting minus 30. 110 minus 1 minus 1 1 0. 135 into 0 is 0. 115 into 1 115 and 25 into 2 is 50. This is Fi UI. Now sigma Fi UI you have to do. This is minus 140 and this is 561 165. So from 165 if you subtract 140 you are getting 25. So this is sigma Fi UI is 25. So what is mean? Mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi UI by sigma Fi into h. So A is 22 plus sigma Fi UI 25 by sigma Fi, that is 400 into how much h? 5. So 5 1s are 5 8s are 40 0 and 5 5s are 5 1s are 5 6 are. So 22 plus 16 divided by 5 by 16. 5 by 16 that is 22 plus 16 means divided by 5.0. 3s are 48 2 0 16 ones are 16. So you will be getting 0.31. So what is mean? Mean is equal to 22.31. So what is the question here? Find the number of oranges kept. Number of oranges kept is equal to 22.31 in each basket. Now, the question is, which method did you find? Method used is step deviation. Step deviation. This is the step deviation method I have used to do this sum, children. Please copy. This is fifth one. Now, sixth one. Now, sixth problem. The table below shows it goes on like this. So, let me read the problem here. The table below shows daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Find the mean daily expenditure on the food by a suitable method. So, the problem given here, class intervals. I am taking them as class intervals. 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350. This is class intervals. And the frequency 4, 5, 12, 2, 2. This is frequency. So go for xi value. Xi value 100 plus 150 by 2. That is 250 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 fives are. So this is 125. Now the difference here is 50. So keep on adding 50. 175, then 225, then 50, 275, then 325. These are xi values. So since xi's are bigger values, go for step deviation method. So here, assumed mean A is equal to the middle one. So middle one 1, 2. This one is assumed mean 225. So size of the class H is equal to 50. Now after xi, you have to go for di. Di is xi minus A. So 125 minus 225. So how you have to do 225 minus 225? We'll be writing like this, 125 minus 225. So first I have to take minus 225, subtract 125. I am getting 100, that is minus 100. Now minus 225 plus 175, so 0 and 50 minus 50. Next this is 0, then 275 minus 225, 50. So here it is 50. Then 325 minus 225, 100. So this is di. After finding di, go for ui. ui is di by h. di is 100 minus 100 by 50. So ui is xi minus a by h. No? So minus 100 by 50, that is 5 2s are. This is minus 2. Minus 50 by 50, minus 1, 0. 50 by 50 is 1. 100 by 50 is 2. So you have got ui. Now you have to go for fi ui. So what is fi? This is fi and this is ui. 4 2s are 8, minus 8. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. This is 0. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. So you have to go for sigma fi ui. So this is total is minus 13 and this is 8. So what is the value you are getting? Minus 5. fi ui. Sorry, this is not 8, children. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 means how much you will be getting? Minus 7 you will be getting. So what is mean? Mean is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. So this is equal to a 225 plus sigma fi ui minus 7 by sigma fi. What is sigma fi? The problem itself is saying about the table shows 25 households. So this is 25 only. You can count and see 2 to 4 to 6, 4, 10, 5, 15, 25. So sigma fi is 25 into height. Height is 50. So 25 on the 25 to the. So 225 plus into minus minus 14 from 225. If you subtract 14, 1 here, 1 here, 2 here. So 211. Therefore, mean daily expenditure. Mean daily expenditure is equal to rupees 211. So the question is find a suitable method. We have used the suitable method here, children. This I'll rub, you may get confused with this. So this is the solution for sixth problem, children. Remaining sums we'll be doing in the next class.